So hi guys, good day. So today we are going to design something like this, which is an A4 size. Yes, it was designed and then I actually printed it. I will actually drop the print out of this on the comment section. Just check and then see the printout of this and the comment section. So I go to size. You actually see the size for 960 by 7016. For 960 by 7016. Alright, let's clean the minimization and then go to PixelLab again. Yeah, I will just go to my size and then fix the size, which is for 960 by 7016. Yeah, sure. So here's the size. I actually got the size from ChatGPT. I actually asked ChatGPT what's the size of A4 paper, and then ChatGPT respond. So on what ChatGPT respond, you will see the high quality. Just pick the pixel size of high quality dimensions. So first of all, let me go to my gallery and then import the image of the guy. Here is he. So I'm going to use this image and just increase the size. Increase the size, yeah. So I'll just increase it a little bit. Yeah, so I'll go to saturation and then increase the saturation a little bit also. Let me see the shoe, and I can just increase it. So increase it. Yeah. So let me just lock this. So I will go to my size, my shape, sorry, and then under my shape, I will just fix it right here, and then go to color. So this one I'm not using a gradient color. Let me see. I will just use a normal color, but I will actually increase the sorry, I will increase the darkness. So let me just pick this, and then I will darken it. Just choose it here. Yeah. So here we go. I will go with this. Yes, I will go with this, and then I will go to radius and increase the radius here. Just increase the radius. So let me do it like this, and then I will go to stroke, and I will increase the stroke, yeah. So the stroke I want it to be white. There we go. So let me just drag it a little bit. Sorry. Yeah. So I'll just create another shape here, and then I'll increase the radius, and I'll fix it toward here. See it toward here. Yep. So I will just copy it again, and then I will decrease the size. And now what will happen is I will go to my color, and then I'll go to gradient and then pick this. So you can actually set your gradient color. Yep. Here we go. So I will fix another shape like this. Let me pick this color. Just drag it right here. Let me see. I will increase this opacity. Let's say to 5. Yeah. Sorry, radius, not opacity. Let me make it to 10, and I'll increase the relative size. Yep. So here we go. So what will happen now is I will go to my text and then write Ayuba. And make it uppercase letter. Go to my size, font. Then I'll pick papers. Yep, so I'll copy it again and then write Dr. AGAY and close brackets. This should be, yeah. So here we go. I'll go to my color, and then I need this color. So this I'll copy it, right? 2025. Yep, I'll copy it again and then write me, comma. And I'll write the date, which is 11. I'll go to font and then choose neutral regular for this. So I will change the color of the background to white, like this. And then from here, I will fix another shape toward this axis. Yeah, I'll go to color and then fix this as the color. Let's see this. Yep. So I'll make it to the back side. Yeah. So now what will happen is I'll create another shape here. Fix the shape toward here. Then I'll go to gradient color and then fix a gradient color like this, and then I need it right here on this axis. So what I will do is I will drag the layer down to here. So I drag the layer backwards. Yeah, so here we go. For this I will go to, where is my stroke? I'll just stroke it with a nice color. Just increase the stroke. Yeah, so now I will go to here, the text, and I write the text here, congratulations. And then I will go to my font and fix a good font for this. So here it is. Because of time, I will just write all the write-ups, and then everything I will just write it so that I will just, the video will not be long. So let's go. So I fix everything. Let me just go to my gallery and then import the graduation icon. Yeah, here we go. So I'll just fix it here. And I'll go to gallery again. Let me decrease the size and fix. fix it here. Yeah, so this is how I actually achieve the A4 design using PixelLab. So I will just go and save my work here as JPG and then Ultra. So I will actually go to my Snapseed and just work on the color. So let me just click on this auto adjustment. So I'll go to contrast, auto saturation, auto ambience, auto also highlight, shadow, auto, and then the other thing auto. The reason why I choose auto is just because I don't want the color to be that kind of color, right? The color to be enhanced more than what I want it in the printing station. So let me just increase the saturation to, let's say 7, and then sharpening to be yes, that's 7 also. So let me go to color balance and then increase the temperature a little bit to maybe 2 or 3. Yeah, let's go with 3, and then the tint will be this. So I will actually save my work and then send it as document to printing station so that they can print it. Thank you very much for your time. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel in order to get more videos, more tutorials on how to use your smartphone and design. So thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Thank you.